In this video, we are going to study about the role of pharmacist in disaster management. The reference of this practical include Dr. Pragi Arora, Dr. Varun Arora, The Essentials of Social Pharmacy. It is a book, textbook of social pharmacy by S. Vikas and Company Medical Publishers. The page number include 2007 to 209. Now, the pharmacist ensure the best possible pharmaceutical care for the population during major incidents and disasters. हमें कोई भी फार्मासिस्ट है उसको अपनी अकल से काम लेना है. अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम अराइज होती है या फिर कोई भी तरह का मिस हैपनिंग हो जाती है, कोई डिजास्टर अकर हो जाता है, तो द रोल ऑफ फार्मासिस्ट इन डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट इंक्लूड to identify the potential disasters that could affect the pharmacy practice and community that they serve, to prepare for the possibility of a disaster occurring. Next, have plans in the place of enabling them, limit the impact of disasters and respond appropriately in the event of a disaster. Next, we have to be aware of a national plans and how a pharmacist's own plan fit within and contribute to the wider health system. Next, we have to manage provision of services during and after the disaster event. Then we have to monitor the effect of disaster on the services and adjust the response plans accordingly. The pharmacist could perform his role in 4 phases of a disaster. The first is the prevention phase, in which reduce health risk posed by the hazards, administer vaccines, educate the public on reducing the spread of communicable diseases and infections, messages to the chronic disease patients, and ensures patients are aware of increased risk of adverse health outcomes in a disaster. Next is the preparatory phase, in which the pharmacist has to ensure uninterrupted supply of medicines and know how to access national pharmaceutical stocks and be a part of a disaster preparations health meetings to give medication management advice. Next is the response phase, in which he has to coordinate the logistics of the medication supply, the ration limited supply, and assist in release and allocation of national stocks wound care. The CPR dispense and provide emergency supplies, make therapeutic substitutions, monitor the individual and engage the pharmacy student workforce. Next is the recovery phase, in which he has to check on health of community, restock supplies, restore order to records and document what worked out and what didn't. The end has to participate in post-disaster research and inform reports on the pharmacy response improvements. So these are different phases in which the pharmacist has to play role during the disaster management. इसमें हमें यह सिर्फ हमारा प्रैक्टिकल पार्ट है, और जो सोशल फार्मेसी के प्रैक्टिकल्स हैं वो हमारे बस इसी तरह से थ्योरी बेस्ड हैं, तो हमें इसको एज इट इज़ अपनी फाइल्स में लिखना है. थैंक यू.